How to draw Bart Simpson for beginners. I'm Sachthemotive, let it motivate you. So I've been drawing Bart Simpson like this since I was a kid. Let's get into this. So the first thing you want to do is draw a long line anywhere on your paper. I say anywhere, but it has to be on the left side. So this is the left, okay? So start with the long line on the left, and now on the top here, do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that it looks about 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 triangles on the top. So the basic shape has come now. From the end triangle, pull down just about a quarter of the way. Now, build a little C shape or a little groove there like that. Okay? And now here's the important part. So from the bottom of the groove, draw a circle. I'm sitting at an angle, so one circle there, one circle there. Okay? Basic shape has come. 2 dots in there for the eyes. Make it a bit bigger, it looks a bit scary. The nose is literally, we start halfway through the eyes and pull the nose out like this. Basically a C. And then from the line down, just measure it roughly. Pull down slowly and pull in. 1 and stop about there, and then another one. And there you go. You have a basic Bart Simpson, and that is how you draw a basic Bart Simpson the way I've been drawing it since I was a kid. I hope that helps. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you very much for watching. Over and out. It looks kind of cool. Remember, I'm not really drawing him from a view. Let me see it properly now. It looks good. I think we're missing the ear. 1 second. Just add an ear here. Or does he have an ear? I can't remember. But yeah, you can add an ear if you want. Does Bart Simpson have an ear?